story time.
Tonight's story is called Oi Cat and is written by Kes Gray and illustrated by Jim Field.
Oi, cat! Step away from the gnat, said the frog.
But I hate gnats, said the cat. Gnats are all nasty and nibbly and they keep biting me on the bottom. Why do you keep sitting on them then? Asked the dog.
Hey, welcome back, kids. The adoption center missed you. I'm sorry your last family didn't work out, but we are going to find you guys a new family. And don't worry, Hazel from last year won't be with us anymore to scare you. We have a brand new adoption center. Go and explore your new home.
Why don't you sit on a mat instead? Because the frogs changed the rules, sighed the cat. Remember?
Oh, what happened to the lights?
Something is happening on the television. Let's go and see.
That's right, smiled the frog. I've changed the rules. Dogs used to sit on frogs, but now they sit on logs. And cats used to sit on mats, but now they sit on gnats.
It's a shame you're not a pony, said the dog. If you were a pony, you could sit on some macaroni. Just my luck, sighed the cat.
Oh no, what are we going to do?
Hee hee, I'm sure that was fake, kids. There's plenty of fake news out there. Anyways, look on the bright side. The parents will be here soon.
Macaroni wouldn't nibble your bottom, said the dog.
They are here. Quick, everyone go back to your bed and look ready to get adopted.
Will you stop talking about my bottom? Said the cat. My bottom is none of your business.
If you were a chick, you could sit on a brick, smiled the frog. If you were a vole, you could sit on a bowl.
Hey, we are looking to adopt a few kids.
Well, you come to the right place. We have plenty of amazing kids here waiting to be adopted.
Let us take a look.
If you are a leech, you could sit on a peach. If you are a duck, you could sit on a truck.
Okay, we don't want to separate the kids. so we'll adopt everyone.
You got that right.
Kids, get in the car. We are going home.
Well, I'm not a chick, am I? Frowned the cat. Or a vole, or a leech, or a duck. You're a cat? Said the dog.
Honor Nat, smiled the frog, and rules are rules.
If you're an alpaca, you could sit on a cream cracker, said the dog.
Welcome home, kids.
Feel free to explore your new home. Get comfortable.
But first, meet Max.
Are great. More people to steal the attention from me.
He's joking.
Now, to explore the house, we set up a scavenger hunt for you.
Find 10 lollipops placed all over the house.
Great job. We found them all. Now go to your bedroom to pick a bed.
If you were a mink, you could sit on a sink. If you were an armadillo, you could sit on a pillow. A lovely, soft, comfy pillow.
What's up, guys? I'm Jerry. I live across the street. I'm your neighbor.
Hey, Jerry, we just got adopted today.
That's awesome. Me and Max are best friends, but we could use some more friends to play with.
It's good to meet you. We'll hang out soon.
Kids, it's getting late. Get in bed. We can play more tomorrow.
If you are a lark, you could sit on a shark, said the frog.
Unbelievable, said the cat.
It's just me, Jerry. Opens a door.
Jerry, it's 2 a.m. What are you doing here?
Guys, I say we sneak out tonight and explore the new neighborhood. I'm going to force you guys to sneak out. You need to have some fun in your life. Follow me downstairs, but don't step on the noisy steps of the stairs.
If you were a shrimp, you could sit on a chimp, said the dog. If you were a bunny, you could sit on some honey. If you were a pheasant, you could sit on a present. If you were a troll, you could sit on a doll.
This better be worth it, Jerry.
It will be. I want to show you my secret hangout spot. Watch out for cars driving by. Follow me.
Whatever he sits on, it has to rhyme with cat, said the frog.
It's very cozy here. Sweet.
This is where me and Max hang out all the time. I'll tell you a scary rumour going around though, about the boathouse monster. They say there's a boathouse under this cliff where only the scariest kids hang out. They say a monster crawls around the boathouse looking to eat anyone who enters.
Gulp, I'm scared. Maybe we should head back now.
Okay, fine. I'll lead you scaredy cats back home. Follow me.
Perhaps you could sit on a bat, said the dog. Instead of a mat or a gnat, you could sit on a cricket bat or a baseball bat or a softball bat.
Bats sit on bats, said the frog.
Ouch! The bridge broke. We fell into the scary boathouse.
And the gate is locked. We are stuck.
What if you were a kitty instead of a cat, said the dog. If you were a kitty, you could sit on something pretty, like a pretty flamingo, or some sparkly bows, or some lovely colourful streamers.
Well, well, look who we have here. Fresh meat.
Whoa, we don't want any problems. We just got lost.
Well, this is our hangout spot. Get them boys.
I hate bullies.
Great, now it's raining. We need to find shelter.
We have no choice but to go into the haunted boathouse for cover.
Dingoes sit on flamingos, crows sit on bows, and lemurs sit on streamers, said the frog.
How about a mog, said the dog.
Look, there's a control room, but it's locked.
Let's find something to break this door. Look for a hammer.
If you were a mog, you could sit on a clog or a cog.
Hogs sit on clogs, said the frog, and cogs when there's a shortage of clogs.
Wait a moment, smiled the cat.
We can try finding the gate button to open it.
If I was a mog, I could sit on a...
Step away from the frog, frowned the frog.
What's this? Do we press it?
Fools, you trapped yourself. The boathouse monster is real. Now you'll be mine forever.
Yes, no one can sit on a frog, nodded the dog. It has to be something that rhymes with frog, or mog, or clog, or cog.
I have opened the gate.
Said the cat. What else rhymes with mog, frog, clog, and cog?
We have to stay in the basement so our parents don't hear us. But what was that monster?
It was the boathouse monster. It was real. We need to hide somewhere.
Not the boathouse monster. It's time. I have a secret. I have a top secret room that I only use for emergencies. Harry, go in.
Let me think.
I added an obby for extra security from intruders. But it's easy. Jump down the hole at the end of the obby. I'll meet you there.
Now what? We are stuck in this room. I'm not sure, but I'm feeling tired. Why is there smoke coming out of the pipes? Where are we? Help! Jerry is missing. What's going on?
Finally, you are all awake.
Why are we in here? Where is Jerry?
Oh, Jerry, let's have a look.
Looking for me? Fools. You are all so easily trickable.
You guys plan to trap us. But Jerry, saving us from the bridge, the fighting, it was all fake.
That's right. You guys took my parents and thought you could take my best friend. I was not going to let that happen, and now I'll finish you off myself. Time to fight.
Wake up, guys. You all slept all day. Someone left the heater on and now it broke. We need to fix it or we'll all freeze overnight. Help me find 8 batteries around the house so I can fix it.
Gog, Zog, Bog, Pog, Rog, Sog, Tog, Uog, Quog, Zog? Dog! Said the dog.
That's all of them.
Thanks. I'll go outside and fix the generator. Stay here and stay awake.
Dog rhymes with frog, mog, clog, and cog.
Weird that he said stay awake.
Did you guys hear that? It sounded like Chain screaming.
Let's go check on him quick.
What happened here?
I don't know, but look, there's a note.
So it does, smiled the cat.
Why do we keep hearing "don't sleep"? Let's go back inside. This doesn't feel right.
I'm so tired, but with whatever just happened to Chain, I'm scared to sleep.
Let's just go to bed and figure this out in the daytime so it's not as scary.
So it does, clapped the frog.
Oh, I wish I hadn't said that, said the dog.